Alright, well, we're back. I see one of the enemies. Sorry. Alright. Fine. It's taking cover in the bush. I heard that one.
You hit my clip! You hit my clip that was in my pocket!
Alright, you got a runner. Got him. Scared. A little CO2. That's the good thing about my gun. They don't know if it's empty or not. Alright. Let me reload. No enemies are in sight. Okay, I'm under fire.
Ah, give me a freaking...
Ah!
Fixed it.
Oh my god, the one just went to my eye, pulled it out. Time out, guys. The clip shot up and went under into my tear duct, and I pulled it out.
Dude, you know what happened to mine? Dude, it was kind of realistic, but I thought I was broken for a second. I pulled it back. Is the camera still going?
Yeah. Alright, we're ready to roll. Alright, get running. The thing went right into my eye. I'm like, oh my god. I'm like,
You got too close right here when I was like right there. That's why I started running up there.
don't run close to me then. I was just defending. Alright. North south. Don't load spring clip without safety goggles. Okay, we got fire on me. Peter. That's all I need is that's all I need, just a little bit of venting fire. Scares him off. Okay, I think I was hit. One minute, just checking. Let's get this kid. He deserves to be shot. Alright. Oh, one bolt left. Gotta make this count. Okay, one bolt left. Gotta make this one count. Look at that little wimp. Well, we made it count. I got him right in the butt. Oh, one more. Yeah, make this one count.